Hello, my name is Landon Krujnik. I'm currently taking computer science and software engineering. I'll be talking about what we've been doing at our Infotech Center on Get Kraken, and the different branches we have made it over the last couple of weeks. So let's get started. The welcome screen has just a few right here, down here in the bottom. Add a print statement, important time, recall sleep function, update color text, and add three loops to booting up. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And okay, that's not working. You come here. So we have important libraries here, so we can call to them. From important sleep, we import a sleep library because it doesn't usually have it. So when we write down sleep 2, it takes 2 seconds for something to appear up. This right here would be a color. I believe it's red in the programming world. This \n actually takes it down a line when you print it. So I'm gonna do F10 to show you what it looks like. Operation Infotech Center, operation booting up. Just cool feature, you can change the colors when you type in these numbers. Well, this number. I don't know exactly what these numbers do because these numbers are different. I think it's like another way to change the color, hint of red. Alright. Come back. Let's talk about the weather. Because everyone needs to know what kind of weather they're going to do when they're driving a car. This is for when you're driving an electric car or any vehicle for that matter. So you gotta know what type of version you're going to be doing. What kind of weather functions they're going to be calling on. Like, oh my god. Like the types of weather, rain, storming, critical response function, and then elephant else statements. Let's check that here. Just saying who we are, what version, telling you what we're supposed to be doing, and what we're going to do down here. It's a little bit of code. Do another import libraries, import random, doesn't usually have that. Talk about the weather conditions, define weather, which we did, to forecast rain, snow, sunny, cloudy, foggy, storming, icy, and then you do random, so it'll call on it here and hold it when you hold that return statement. It'll hold it in place till you actually need it, and then this makes it easier for us to type. We define it again, if statements, elifs. For each one, icy, snowy, rain, cloudy, each one do their own different things. Like when you change cloudy 5 minutes earlier to the national forecast of weather, and print that you can go 60 miles. And then when you have majority of these done, like all of them except for one, you don't need to do an elif, you just do an else statement. Because if it's not storming, windy, cloudy, any of those, when it says if it's not, it just does this one directly. This is just to print it. Again, F10, so you see it. Rainy 5 minutes earlier, 15 snowy, car can go 50, stormy, icy, all different ones. Each time you call it, really nice. I go back, talk about gasoline. We're going to talk about the list of, define all the gas levels. We definitely merged the branch between this. And we're going to define the gas level or list of gas stations. New variables around number 2 miles. So we actually talk about that a little bit more. And then we finish the statements up. Alright. I did not change my thing. Hold up. Gasoline. What? To here. gasoline, what we're doing, define the functions right here in the green, import library again, um, gas level function, gas gauge, empty low, same thing like the last one. This one has a little few more extra steps. You do the same thing, low all the way to full, do the same thing, return it so it holds on to it. Do it here for a type of gas stations, like Circle K, and then we're gonna come down here. We define gas level alert, this variable calling on gas level gauge store ones, but round to the number form, so like how many miles to like nearest gas station when low, quarter of tank, like it just picks a number 1 through 25, 26 through 50. So like it's like pick a number 1 through 10, random. Empty warning when you need to get gas, you're running out, and then it does calling rich friend. Low, same thing. Checking Google Maps for gas stations, and we tell you what gas stations, list of gas stations right here, because you want to know how far you are, and then how many miles. So we call in those functions back up here. And same thing for each one of these, list of gas stations, miles to the tank, and your quarter tank. Now we go to half, you got plenty of gas, don't really need to know. 3/4, still good. When you're full, pedal to the metal, go without stopping. Don't speed though. Oh yeah, I forgot that. I'm gonna stage that. I'll do that after actually. That was the 3 things that we did. That we pushed up to the beta test, and that's when we merged all together. Oh yeah. I guess I do need. I'm gonna show you how to push it, guys. Oh my God, did I push that by accident without doing it? I did not call it something. So next, I'm gonna show you guys the next one that we did. It's just like telling what we were doing in it. So where there's a bit and I cannot spell. Well, so some of the again, this is just that's all I need. Call it, stage it, push it. So it's now local now. It's also the cloud when you push it, so it gives you this other symbol, this white symbol. Alright, now we're gonna go to beta test dev. Like this is where you test it, make sure it works. Actually, let me go back to gasoline to show you how it works. 10, and we'll also do it. Running out, calling rich friend. Your tank is full without stopping. Got it good. Another one. Checking Google Maps, Circle K. Circle K, close to gas station Speedway, which is 24 miles. I don't know if it's supposed to do that exactly. Oh my God. I think I have an extra line of code I don't need. I'll fix that. Now we come here to beta test for test before we pushed out to the cloud before all vehicles would have it. And we can see the entire line of code. Usually you might get like a head up here, another thing down the middle, probably like spacing it out with arrows, just delete those. When you staging down here, say end. We actually made another area, call functions here. So when you're looking through all this code, it doesn't have like these, and then if I don't want either one of these in this order, I can take this, put gas level below it, and then when I press F10, it does the welcome screen, booting up, booting up, booting up. It should call on, you got plenty of gas, that's important to know in the morning. Change to sunny, so you go 70 miles per hour, maybe not 70, but that's because of this order, gas level, PRS. If this was changed, it would go probably choose this one first and then go to this. So it's very important to know that. Yeah. Then we pushed up to our main again later down the road. So it's all good. Once you actually fix all the problems, you do the beta test stuff. You don't actually really need to fix anything when you do it to the main. You don't have to do the head and tail, whatever stuff it pops up that you had to do in the beginning because you fixed it. It doesn't need it anymore, so it just goes quite nicely. And then you can come up here, Infotech Center. So we push up to GitHub to pull it down whenever. Operation Furry. Um, you can see everything that we've done, every line of code. You can see it all. And the best part, it's all like coded up so you can like pull it down and actually like see all the small information because it's a lot of information. Down there, I pulled from lines 20 to 23. When you actually come back though, you can change a few things like go to each one directly weather, and I can go see all the weather functions that we did. Like each one only for weather, and we don't have to worry about seeing welcome screen and gas. So that's really cool. We love GitHub for that. That's my little presentation about GitHub and what we've been doing. Thank you for checking us out, and see you on the next one.